Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to add text and gradient to our image. So to add text, go to T icon here and then tap on any part of your image you want to add text on. After tapping, delete the text present by default and type whatever you want. Let's type Jai Hind. Once done typing, select the text and choose whatever you want to edit. So suppose if I want to edit size, then choose the drop down and select the size which you want. Or if you want a size greater than the mentioned sizes in the drop box, please type whatever you want. So let's make it 90 points. So after selecting 90, the text size increases, and then to place it, just tap on the move icon and place it wherever you want to in the image. Again selecting the text icon and placing the text where we want. Let's type Vande Mataram. After completing, tap on the move icon and place the text wherever you want on the image. So here in this part, we are done typing the text. Now to add gradient, go to the text and tap the FX icon right there. After tapping the FX icon, you can select gradient option. Once you select gradient option, such toolbar will be visible to you. So to change the gradient, what options we get is the blend option and the color option and also the type option. So let's keep it linear. And then we have radial. We have all the other options. We are just going to try which one looks better. But I prefer linear option more. Now this is the angle. We can also change the angle at which our text, the gradient looks. So let's change the angle. Let's see what it looks like. Let's keep this angle. Now to change the color, just tap on the color bar over there and then double tap on the square icons on the bottom. So if I want to change the yellow color, I'll just double tap and then select from this hue slider. Let's select green color and select OK once you're done. So as you can see, I've got a gradient of orange and green color to our image. If we want to change the color pattern, we can select this reverse option and do it in a click. Now again to change the orange color, click on the color bar and double tap on the orange square, and from the hue menu, select the shade of orange you want. After clicking OK, as you can see, we have added the gradient to our text. Now operating through the layers, you can see the changes from here as well. Let's do the same thing once again with our second text. Tap on the text layer and go to the FX icon again. Select the gradient option. After selecting the gradient option, as you can see, the toolbar will appear again. Tap on the color bar and double tap on the color which you want to select. Now let's select a different shade of green. Tap on OK. As you can see, the text has been added, the gradient has been added to our text. That's how gradient is added to our text. and we can again watch it through the layer over there. Now to save it, we'll go to layer, flatten image and save it. That's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.